Whoops. Someone's having difficulty using a tablet, and that's me. I called it a laptop just earlier. I didn't mean that. I was telling you all that these little wooden ornaments. Let's see. Where is my hand? My hand. There. These little wooden ornaments I bought when we first came back from Japan. When I left the X, I was in the Navy. That's how we were in Japan. So, no computer. I made a video about, just made several videos. The 30th is when the recovery disc should arrive. I told tech support I have absolutely no faith in the recovery discs since it didn't work on the last computer. And I paid a lot of money for that recovery disc, but they're sending it to me and they're also going to pay for it and get it to me as soon as possible. Still, they're the ones who set up Windows to automatically update and install the Windows updates without me being able to do anything about it or stopping it or anything. They also the guy assures me, I told him, I said, and what's to stop the updates from doing the same thing again? And he said, no, it'll only install updates from November. Well, let me tell you what, it won't install any older updates. Yes, we shall see. Now, meanwhile, okay, I bought myself a little gift that says Macy's. This is Clinique. Everything is backwards. They didn't have everything I needed when I found out I didn't have makeup. Good makeup around. They didn't have everything I needed. I bought, it's called Chubby Stick Shadow Tint for Eyes. We'll see. We shall just see. Let me see here. I'm trying to hold it down here. And, of course, we're going to make it impossible to open up. I'll open it up from the wrong end. I liked it because it's gold, and I like gold. I like to use just a touch of gold. Let's see if I can get it in the light. There, see? Just a touch of gold. And if I rub it enough, it just leaves the sparkles behind. Let's see if you can see it in there. Yeah, yep. You can see some of the sparkles. So that's one. Then they didn't have any liquid foundation. Liquid eyeliner. I'd rather use liquid or powder eyeliner. I don't like using the eyeliner in sticks. This is lip liner. And made in Germany. Okay, where is the color? I don't know where the color is. Deep red, it's called. So, I don't like these lip liners. I'd rather have them pencils that I can use a sharpener on. But she says they don't make those anymore. None of the companies in Macy's, all the makeup cosmetic companies didn't have them. So, okay, fine. Another thing I forgot to buy was blush. Now, come on. I'm talking to a makeup person. You think she'd try to, increase her sales? She was the only one there, and she was so busy. This is ridiculous. What is this? This is advanced concealer. Okay, not so ridiculous. It's a little bit small. I guess it's okay for concealer. The squeeze little thingies, and I never liked them that way. For them on a stick, but I needed some. I tried it on and I liked it. So we have that. Then I still need to get contouring powders, contouring shades. I want a darker shade. Sometimes I like to mix them. And the lipstick here. Ooh, it's oh. I like that color of lipstick. And that lipstick color is Long Last Lipstick. And the color is red, red, red. I like lipstick. But I didn't want to be caught out with nothing to put on like I was when I went to my daughter's Christmas concert. And this one, well, it's got some fingerprints, my fingerprints all over it. This one, I don't know how it opens up. Come on, open up. But it's like a powder type of foundation. It's called Even Better Compact Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Evens and Corrects. Whatever. It just goes on smooth like a powder, and it's light. And as you can see, I don't have any problem with oil. My face is very greasy. It gets greasy all the time. Just during normal day activity. Been that way since I was a teenager. So. And this I got to buy the set. And it was $29. And it has another lipstick on it. This one is called, let's see, the Chubby Moisturize and Lip Color Balm, Chubby Stick Intense. And the color is, I don't know what the color is. Some kind of a plum color. There's actually, they should have the color on here somewhere, don't you think? But I don't see it anywhere. How's a woman supposed to? Apparently they only come, oh, here it is. Grandest Grape. I'd show it to you. You can't see it. I'll put that at this end. Turn it into the light. There it is. It's kind of a plum color. Oh, it's okay. Looks fine to me. And then there's this little tube affair, and this is all about eyes. Reduces, circles, puffs, satin, something or another, anti. I can't read it. It's mixed in English and in French, and I can't figure out what is what. Yep. There you are. Oh. And there goes the lid. Down! So, I should be able to be doing things. Let's see. It has that. And it also comes with this little thing. Nail polish, I think. It's really pretty. It's pretty and brown and glowy. And I'm guessing it's nail polish. I can't read it. It's too little. Let's open it up and see. Yep, nail polish. Nail polish on a short little stick. Whatever, it's pretty. But won't be getting any use out of it, because see my nails? Yes, and my hands are dried. My skin's gotten baggy since I've lost weight. Look at all that loose skin. And my nails are all broken, and I got a lot of hangnails that just won't go away. But every single one of them are broken. I take my vitamins every day. It doesn't help. They're still breaking like crazy. I'm taking the biotin. They're still breaking like crazy. I've always had soft fingernails, but now they're even worse. This here is a quick liner for eyes, Intense. Sable. No, don't think I need sable, but don't know how to make it go up either. Maybe it just doesn't have any. Don't know how I'm going to use that. Anybody know how these go? Because that won't increase beyond where it's at. They'll go down. But it won't increase beyond that. Just barely there. I mean, I'm having trouble. There. Got it. It's not the eyeliner I want, and I don't use brown. Mascara. I don't use mascara either because it makes my eyes feel heavy and watery and hard to see through. And I have oily skin, and the mascara always blackens underneath. That's the brush. Nothing different. Just looks like a fuzzy caterpillar. Really disgusting. I don't like that brush. The other thing I do like are these colors. These are eyeshadows. Now, you know, if they would just tell me how these boxes open, these little things. I don't know how they open. Pull, push, whatever. Apparently, I've already played with this. I don't recall opening it up and looking at them, but I did it in the store, I guess. I didn't use them, and these are already, they already have color on them. This is my first time opening them up. Look at that. She didn't put them on me in the store. I didn't put them on at all. There was no time for that. I have to take that back and talk to them about it because the eyeliner and the other thing look bad. It's a little bit disturbing, don't you think? I don't know. No, I didn't use them. They've been in that bag ever since I came home from the store. And why would I play around with them in the store? So I'm going to take it back and complain. It does come in a nice little bag, but purple. I'm not happy. It's just creepy. There wasn't time enough. She was very busy. There wasn't time enough for us to be playing with the colors. So I'm definitely going to take that back. I'll take all the makeup back and tell them not happy that it's been played with. Not happy that the eyeliner looks like it's low and won't raise. I'll talk to y'all later, and I'll get the other videos up when I have a computer running again. I receive it on the 30th, then the 31st. I'll be lucky to have it up and running by the 1st or 2nd. Goodbye, y'all. Have a happy new year. Bye.